Hi friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel Tronics LK. Today I am going to show you how to create a simple and very colorful distance meter using an Arduino. As you see, this project can detect the distance to an object which is located in front of it and show it in a set of LEDs. And also, it will generate a sound when the object is too closer for the sensor. I will show you how to design this circuit and upload the correct code for it. At the end of the video, I will show you how to create a different kind of mechanical distance meter also. Before going to the detailed video, I invite you to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the future videos like this. Now let's see what are the components that you are going to need for this project. You will need an Arduino board. I am using an Arduino Uno here, but you can use any model like Arduino Nano or Arduino Mega. You will need a 5V active buzzer to generate the sound. Then you need 6 LEDs in desired colors. I have used 6 LEDs in 6 different colors as it looks very colorful while working, but it is up to you, you can use any color. You will need an ultrasonic sensor. I am using this HC-SR04 model for this. You will need 6 of 220 ohm resistors to drop down the voltage for each LED. And you will need a 100 ohms resistor for the buzzer also. You can build this circuit permanently on a circuit board by soldering like this, or you can use a breadboard to design this. So this is the circuit diagram for the project. You can wire up your circuit according to this. I will put a link to the circuit diagram in the video description also. Now let's look at the code. Download and open the code named Arduino LED Distance Meter. At the top of the code, it has declared the Arduino pins which are connected to ultrasonic sensor. Next, it has declared the Arduino pins which have connected with LEDs. Then this has declared the Arduino pin which buzzer has connected. Next, these two variables are there to assign data required to calculate the distance. Inside the setup function, it has declared the Arduino pins as inputs or outputs accordingly. Let's come to the loop function. This piece of code is responsible to get the distance between sensor and object using some mathematical calculations. This whole part of code is there to blink the relevant LEDs and to turn on and off the buzzer according to the measured distance. Okay, now let's upload the code to the Arduino board by selecting correct board type and the port. If you don't have a good knowledge on Arduino code uploading and other basics, please watch my previous tutorial named Arduino Tutorial for Beginners. I will put its link in the video description. Now code is uploaded properly. Now let's have a look into the circuit. You can check its functionality by keeping a small object in front of the ultrasonic sensor and changing its distance. If you want to learn more about ultrasonic sensors and if you want to try another type of analog model distance meter, please follow my previous video tutorial. It will be very exciting and detailed tutorial for you. Its name is Ultrasonic Sensor HC-04 and Arduino tutorial. I will add its link also in the video description. I am happy to tell you that I am providing a paid service to do Arduino and other robotic projects according to your requirements. So if you think that it will be helpful for you, please contact me. My contact details are in the video description. So what do you think about this video tutorial? I appreciate if you can comment it on the comment section. Let's meet from another tutorial soon. Please stay with my channel by subscribing it. Thank you for watching.